Amid the darkness, the guns outside, efforts to protect economic frontliners from COVID-19 are quickly into high gear, and some regulation is leading the way. The first day of the company's vaccination program for its employees was held in La Salle Green Park in Manila. Physical distancing is observed at all times, and frontliners wore protective equipment. SNC employees were happy to get their first shots. Vaccine czar Carlita David admits the government needs the help of SNC and other private companies in the vaccine rollout. Senegal President and CEO Ramon Ang is urging SNC employees to get enough as soon as possible
Ay, taot ko na galit dyan.
vaccine brand. Ang says what matters most is that economic frontliners and their families are protected. Over 500 employees got their first shot in day one of SNC's vaccination program. A conglomerate is aiming to inoculate all 170,000
rin ko lang ta.
San Francisco employees. Here in downtown Los Angeles for a fashion magazine, and they're featuring someone who categorically rejects any kind of label. This is EJ Johnson. Like Chandler, he's pushing the boundaries of gender. But EJ is making a lot more noise. As the star of his own reality TV show,
I see. There's going to be a lot of fashion, obviously, a lot of glamour, a lot of drama.
And a fierce fashion trailblazer, EJ is becoming one of the loudest voices in the gender revolution, refusing to define himself as man, woman, or anything in between.
Have you seen really conflicted between the binary genders?
No. I think that mostly it's other people who try to put me in a box and try to figure out, like, what's going on. I always just say, like, I can go him, he, him, she, her, like, whatever, you know. This is just EJ, and, like, it can go from, 0 to 60.
Few people are as confident as EJ, but it wasn't always that way. This gender-bending trendsetter was expected to take a different path, and it all makes sense when you find out who EJ's father is. One of the most masculine sports stars of the 80s, basketball legend Irvin Magic Johnson. An Olympic athlete and basketball Hall of Famer, Magic graced the cover of countless magazines. But when it came to his son, EJ, Magic and his wife, Cookie, made an adjustment.
How would you describe EJ as a little boy? He was a sweet little boy. He was always happy. He just loved colors and theatrical things.
It was funny because when we first started, we threw him into everything sports. Soccer, football, basketball, t-ball, and he hated every one of them. He wanted to play with dolls more than with a football, basketball. He wanted to play with the girls more than he wanted to play with the boys.
Your parents said you played with dolls under your bed.
Yeah. I mean, I had them. I have like a whole collection of them. My mom would take me to go and buy dolls with my little dusters and stuff like that.
Your mom actually bought you girly stuff.
Yeah, even if she wasn't supposed to.
Why wasn't she supposed to?
I mean, like, my dad was not really keen on me playing with stereotypically, like, girly stuff.
I'm Magic Johnson, and you have this son who only wants to play with dolls.
Well, it was hard for me in the beginning. I kept taking him away and trying to put something else in his hand. And about an hour or two later, I go back and it's back in his hand.
Because you think, oh, they're so young. If we just steer him the other direction and say, no, boys play with this, girls play with this, that eventually he'll get it and it'll be fine.
A turning point came when EJ started elementary school, and Magic got a call that set him on a different path.
The principal called us and said, you know, EJ likes playing with the girls, likes being a girl in terms of dressing up. Exactly. And so I said, okay, now I gotta start working on me.
Magic and Cookie realized this wasn't a passing phase. It was who their son was deep down.
You have to say, you know, this is my son, I love him, and I'm gonna accept him for who he is. Was it still a struggle at that time? Oh yes, I know it was. But that's my man, that's my guy. So I'm going to support him and love him no matter what.
All grown up, this is EJ now. 25 and blazing a path of his own, he's taking the Johnson name in a different direction.
I love lace.
I could see those on there.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
One of EJ's first steps toward independence is developing a fashion line built around his own gender-bending style.
It excites me to create new looks, something that somebody else might never put together. It's very EJ. This jacket, I'm obsessed with. This could be like everything I've ever wanted in a jacket, actually. Obsession.
EJ wants to design clothes that empower everyone, no matter their gender, to feel great about how they look.
So what is it about this that you love?
I think it's honestly just like a combination like both of my styles. Like some really like cool and urban, and then like all of a sudden very, very bougie and like uptown.
Do you remember how you felt the first time put on women's clothes? Like when you looked in the mirror, what did you see?
I think I just felt like I needed to try to kind of transcend the people. It wasn't really about like whether it was like a man's piece or like a woman's piece. It was like if this looks good on my body, then I'm just down. You know?
Was it kind of like finding a missing piece in a way?
For sure. Yeah, it was definitely like that. I just felt like, you know, this is me becoming the adult that I wanted to be and like doing, you know, what I wanted to do.
So you never got the captain of the basketball team, but you got a leader of possibly even more people.
Yeah.
How does that make you feel?
Proud, yeah. This guy is extremely intelligent, and he takes his time and always make a good decision. And that's why I tell Cookie, I said, it's scary when I look at it, because I see myself.
You see yourself in thigh-high boots?
Yeah, exactly. Well, maybe not that part.
Embracing an androgynous style has helped EJ find himself and his calling. But not everyone figures it out so quickly. I'm about to meet another person who, at 42, is just beginning that journey.
There's always been this part of myself that's walked away. I can't hold it back anymore. It's who I am, and it's who I have to be.
Save time and shop online at the SMC Hub, San Miguel Corporation's e-commerce platform that delivers your groceries and more straight to your door. It's easy to order. Step 1, choose your delivery location. Step 2, check out your most trusted San Miguel quality products and add to cart. Step 3, choose your payment method and check out. The SMC Hub delivers to anywhere in Metro Manila and to select municipalities in Cavite and Rizal. Same-day delivery is available Mondays to Saturdays if you place your order before 12 noon. Spend more time doing the things you love. Just have it delivered. Visit us now at thehub.sanmiguel.com.ph. Your home made better with San Miguel.
Overseas voting frequently asks questions for the 2022 elections. Who can register? Filipinos at least 18 years old who were abroad during the voting period and not disqualified by law. When to register? COMELEC has extended overseas voter registration until October 14th, local time, of the country where the overseas voter temporarily resides. Where to register? Applications may be filed at any post abroad or at designated registration centers outside the post or in the designated registration centers in the Philippines. Posts refer to Philippine embassies, consulates, and offices abroad maintained by government agencies. Who conducts the voting? For personal voting, COMELEC deputizes a body known as the Special Board of Election Inspectors to conduct the voting and counting of the votes. For postal voting, COMELEC deputizes a body known as the Special Ballot Reception and Custody Group to take custody